So I have guests staying with me tomorrow, and I just got back from the store. I bought every beverage I could think of to fill my mini fridge for them, but this is the room that they're staying in, and it's a total disaster, and it's already 10 o'clock at night, so I better get to work. James just told me that this is the worst flavor of LaCroix. Does anyone else agree? I'm so bad at picking LaCroix flavors at the store. He says I can no longer do it. If you don't agree this is the best brand of root beer in the entire world, I just don't know if we can be friends. If you love soda as much as I do, especially Dr. Pepper, but don't love the sugar and all of the calories, try this instead. I don't have a different can for the last row, so I'm just gonna have to do another row of Barq's root beer. The whole thing is ruined. This one has a dent. That can't happen. We're gonna have to switch it. All better. Oh my god, really tight. There we go. The drinks are looking good. Now we're gonna move on to snacks. This is one of my favorite late night snacks, apple slices and peanut butter. All done. The fridge area is done. I just have to fill it with a few more of their favorite goodies in the morning. I've got a long ways to go and I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish it, so wish me luck.